Good morning, everybody, and welcome to another episode of AMD Day Trader. I am your host, Jamario Walker. Today is October 1st. See here, we open today um, here. A pretty big green bar, bullish activity. Followed up with two more. And let's see here, we went into the trade, I want to say 9:45. We waited around a little late today. I didn't jump in early. I was waiting for a good price point to go in because it moved so fast this morning. But we did get in here 9:43 and we bought in again at 9:48. So we had about 8 contracts when we started to show this little pullback area here. And I did that because we got a rising 20. I didn't think it was gonna, hit up against that 20. The price action was the bearish price action was kind of weak. It didn't pull it down much. It didn't bring it down past 83.34. And that's bullish to me. If the little bit of bearish action doesn't bring it all the way down to the 20 period moving average, it doesn't, bring it down much at all. That's still bullish action, meaning the bulls, they're still in control. And we had 8 contracts here, going into this little upward movement. We sold, started to sell around 10:02. So in this area, we didn't hold these very long, and it didn't have to move that long for us to profit off of it. With the reason being, we had 8 contracts. The more contracts you hold, the more you can potentially win or lose if the trade goes for or against you. So this one went for us. The reason being, the selling pressure that started here on your MACD started around, what time is this? Um, 9:42. This weakness here didn't bring us down that much. It only brought us down. So we were here at a 83.74. The weakness brought us down to an 83.33. About 40 cents. That is not bad at all, which is why we loaded up. We bought our 8 contracts and we took it up here and it started to sell once we got to this top area here. Um, the buyer started to slow down, the seller started to come in, and we saw that price action. We read it correctly and got out of our trade up here. We made about 477 today off those 8 contracts. So today was a good day. Short day, but a good day. Pretty good open, forceful movements. We jumped in here for the first 4 contracts, bought 4 more during this pullback, and we sold up here. So yeah, and now market is kind of teetering to the side here now, doing a little sideways movement. As you can see, the 20 period moving average has started to flatten out now. This forceful positive pressure has ran out for the moment, and now we're flat. And during that flatness, we're also underwater. So the sellers are trying to take control now and pull the price down. Um, we'll see how much they pull it down today. Probably not a whole lot, but we'll see. That's all for today, guys. Short video, quick and sweet. Stay tuned for more. I'm still working on the Getting Started series. Hopefully next week or the week after I can have it published and you guys can, start learning the basics of trading and how you can do some of what I do. I'll show you how to day trade and also how to swing trade. And swing trading involves holding, a particular trade for a few days, a week, maybe a month or so. Um, but you can still do that and be profitable. You don't have to day trade like I do. You can swing trade, hold it for a day, hold it for a week, a month, and still be profitable. But just be on the lookout. I'll share all that with you guys. As always, thanks for watching. Thanks.